I joined Luke and Susana's course to learn more about myself and how to overcome some issues and negative thoughts that had been very occurring, and to learn a little bit more about psychology and how to help others as well. And I feel that I learned so much from it, and I learned a lot about myself, my passions, my values, and what exactly I had to do to better myself, and which aspects I was lacking in, and I learned how to overcome the obstacles that I was facing inside of me, and I felt really empowered. And so I would recommend this course to absolutely anyone, because this is kind of a way of us learning how to be happy and have healthy relationships, not only with others but also with ourselves. And I think everyone would benefit from that, but it's especially for people who really want to develop themselves even further and learn more about themselves and empower themselves, as the name of the course suggests, and to become the best ultimate version that they are meant to be.